Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to update your Realtek audio driver. Okay, first this you go to the run, press Windows and R button to open the run and type devicemanagement.msc devmgmt.msc and press OK. It will open. Otherwise one more method is there. In the this PC right click properties and here select the device manager. It will open device manager. In this you need to find your sound, video and game controllers option, as here is the sound, video and audio, sound, video and game controllers. In this right click, then properties and then go to the driver. Here you can see here driver date is 19th October 2023. Okay, you need to update your Realtek audio driver. Okay, for this go to the Google Chrome, open Google Chrome. Here need to type google.com and type here Realtek audio driver, Windows 11 or Windows 10, which Windows you have you can select here. In my case it is Windows 10 operating system, and then need to find here PC audio codecs, high definition audio codec software is there. Click this. And then the realtek.com website has been opened. Here you need to find your Windows versions. In my case Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8.1, Windows 10 driver is there here. The last update is 15th August 2024. You can go through this. In my case, okay, if your Windows is 11, you can find your Windows 11 operating systems. In my laptop this is Windows 10. Because of this I typed Windows 10 for Realtek audio. If you want Windows 11, you can type here in the google.com Realtek audio driver Windows 11, then it will open Windows 11 driver update software. Okay, and then here option is there called download. Click this download option and agree the terms and download. I accept to the above. You can tick mark this and download this file. It is asked to enter the captcha. Type the captcha H1ZQ5D and press submit. Yes, now the Realtek audio driver download has been started. After this you install it, your Realtek audio driver will be updated. After the update you need to restart your system for the better usage. Okay, wait for few seconds. It is start downloading. After the download you can install it. Okay, thank you.